My tulip poplar tree has scales and was raining down sap. I treated the tree with systemic insecticide. Now there's less sap falling. What else should I do? And this is from Connie right here in Memphis. So Mr. D, she's already treated with a systemic insecticide. I think that's enough.
Sounds like she solved the problem. She wants to get rid of the symptom of the problem. I don't know how large this tree is, but she can hose it off.
That's what I would recommend.
It's just sooty.
It's just sooty mold.
Sooty mold is all it is, which grew on the honeydew secreted by the scale. And the scale are, I think I'm right on tulip scale. They only have one generation per year.
One generation per year. The female can lay 3,000 eggs at a time.
That's right.
Right.
That's right. And the crawlers are active in the fall.
In the fall.
In the fall. And if they've had a history of a problem, then if they don't want to go with this systemic route, the crawlers are really easy to kill in the fall when they are active. And you could use other types of insecticides and even some of the oils, I think, will do a pretty good job on the crawlers. So you kind of keep that in the back of your mind, but this system works, you know, using the systemic insecticide. But just, you know, with a water hose and you could put a little soap in a hose-in sprayer if you wanted to and do that and then rinse it off and if you want to. But Mother Nature's going to take care of it. Yeah. Mother Nature's going to wash it off too.
She's going to do that. It might take her a little longer to do it, a little longer, but yeah, she'll do that.
Right.
Right. But yeah, if we knew the size of the tree would help, but you're right.
That's true.
Kind of get out of hose and just clean it up a little bit. But
tulip poplars get big.
You've done the right thing, and yeah, tulip poplar, state tree. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.